This is the fit for today. Thrifted these shorts, I believe at a thrift store or a resale like vintage place. I'm not quite sure. I had to roll them up because they're quite long. I'm doing this little tank top, this cardigan, and my boots. Hello from Ben's vehicle, and I have Roxy with me. He is currently inside the Walmart getting some snacks because we are staying in a hotel tonight. What's that song I'm thinking of? Oh, do you got plans tonight? No hotel tonight. Anyways, the reason being, our house flooded, and not necessarily like inches of water type of flooding. I'm talking like if you were to step in the kitchen living room, water would come seeping out of the floors and create large puddles. And the conclusion, I say conclusion like there has been a conclusion. There hasn't been a conclusion. We haven't had plumbers out, but the consensus between everyone that has come and seen the floor is that more than likely the floor will need to be ripped up, and more than likely a pipe burst. The city was working on the pipes outside of our house yesterday, turned our water off, and we didn't know that. And also, what the consensus from multiple sources have concluded is that most likely when they turned the water back on, it created a back pressure and burst a pipe under our kitchen slash living room slash entryway area. Long story short, we had to turn the water off. The water line, the water had to be turned off. So that means no shower, no flushing the toilet, no sink, none of that. No dishwasher, no laundry. And I mean, technically we can still flush the toilet if we like fill up the back, but again, we only saved so much water before we turned it off, and yeah. So we just decided that tonight we were gonna stay at a hotel. We're not gonna stay at a hotel every night, depending on how long this lasts. We were just gonna do it tonight, just kind of get our bearings and see if a plumber can come out tomorrow. In other news, I got my second dose of my Pfizer vaccine yesterday. I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, the only thing that I experienced with the second dose was fatigue. I was very tired and nausea. I just kind of felt constantly like nauseous, but it's kind of subsided. I took a couple naps yesterday and today. Yeah, I took a couple naps. I'm feeling pretty good. And my arm is a lot less sore than the first go. Like genuinely, like last time I was like, ugh. And this time I'm like, kapow, kapow. Like I can really lift this thing.
Your apartment has a glow I can't remember. Try as hard as I can, but nothing comes to mind. kiss, falling over sideways. It's so easy to forget. On the bus home, nothing seems so real. Nothing seems so inexplicable.
Good morning, Miss Bo. It's been a really long past couple of days, and I've been working on what I just showed you, which was, I'm trying to be quiet because he's dead. Anyways, I was working on what I just showed you. It's like a little website header for somebody that I've been working on, and not to mention just being incredibly busy in our personal lives and a lot going on and a lot of exciting things happening, and I'm feeling very happy lately. My mental health has been so good. Anyways, I just wanted to come on here and just say goodbye. This video was quite random, just an accumulation of clips that I had accumulated from the past couple weeks or 2 weeks. I don't know, I'm not sure. I have no sense of time. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you're still watching, what is that? Anyways, thanks for watching if you're still watching, and thanks for being here. I really don't have anything else to say. I'm so tired. Okay, hope you enjoyed. See you hopefully next week. Bye.